Hello students, myself Swati. This is your online maths class. Yes, today we are doing our 12th chapter, that is Heron's formula. Okay, so first of all, before doing this Heron's formula, we have to, actually in this Heron's formula, we are actually dealing with area of triangle. What we are going to do is, that is your area of triangle. Okay, now here, first of all, I think from 6th or 6th class, we are doing area of triangle in many ways. Okay, I think we all know that area of triangle is very simple formula is there, and that is half into base into height. Okay, so this is your basic formula that I think everyone knows. That is your first formula. Okay, now the second formula is if the triangle is an equilateral triangle. So that we have done in 8th class, that is area of an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle is a triangle in which all three sides are equal. Okay, so area of an equilateral triangle is √3/4 into side square. So side is what? The length of each side is here side. Okay, so √3/4 side square is the area of an equilateral triangle. Please make sure that you have to learn these two formulas. First one I think you have already learned it, and the second one also you have to learn. Now the third formula, that is your area of triangle by Heron's formula. Area of triangle by Heron's formula. That is your next topic. Okay, so what is Heron's formula? Basically, Heron's formula is a formula by which we can find area of any triangle whose all three sides are equal. Whose all three sides are given to you. Like if I am having a triangle, okay, I don't know about the length and all the three sides of the triangle. Let us assume the side opposite to this A, the length of BC is small a, the length of AB is small c, okay, and the length of AC is small b. These are actually what? These are the length of sides. Okay, here small a, small b, small c are the length of all sides of the triangle. So first is we have to find small s. What is small s over here? Small s stands for semi-perimeter. Small s means semi, half, perimeter. मतलब triangle का perimeter का half. Perimeter means what? The sum of all three sides. The sum of three sides means A plus B plus C और उसका half, यानी कि आपको क्या करना है उसको? Divided by 2. So what is your S? Your S is A plus B plus C upon 2. So Heron was a mathematician who have given the Heron's formula, and by Heron's formula, the value of area of triangle will be under root. See here everyone, the area of triangle will be under root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. This is the formula of area of any triangle whose all three sides are given to you, as I have made in the diagram. So this is your Heron's formula. On this base questions we will do, that is your exercise 12.1. okay, I'm doing the first question of it. Okay, the first question is, you can see in the book, exercise 12.1, question number first, that is, a traffic signal board indicating school ahead is an equilateral triangle. There is a signboard where it is written, that is in the shape of triangle, and on that is written school ahead. Okay, and this triangle is in the shape of an equilateral triangle of side A. What is the side? The side's length is A. Each side is of length A. Okay, so now it is saying find the area of signal board using Heron's formula. If its perimeter is 180, what will be the area of the signal board? So now tell me, what is the perimeter of this board? The perimeter is, what is the perimeter of any triangle? The sum of all three sides, that is A plus A plus A, and that is 3 into A. A. But according to question, what is the perimeter? According to question, the perimeter is 180. So 180 will be equal to what? 3A. So from here I can find the value of A, that is 180 upon 3. 3 ones are 60. So the value of A I have got is how much? 60 centimeter. Okay. Now I have to find the area by Heron's formula. So finding the area, you can see here we are having already the formula. Okay, by Heron's formula. So first of all I have to find S. What I have to find is S. Yes, so the S is, I think you can see that the sum of all three sides, that is A plus A and divided by 2. So A plus A is what? 3A. 3A upon 2. So 3A already we have given you, that is what? That is your 180. So 180 upon 2 is how much? 180 upon 2 is 90. So what is the value of S you have got? 90. Now I think you know Heron's formula. By Heron's formula I am leaving some space, 2-3 lines. Area of triangle is under root S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. So can you see that here I am having in place of B and C A itself. आपके पास B C नहीं है, आपके पास क्या है? A ही है, क्योंकि तीनों साइड्स क्या है? आपस में इक्वल है. तो in place of B can I write A and in place of C also can I write A over here. Okay. So now I have to find S minus A. So one thing you can do, student, you can put the value over here, or one more thing you can do, that after this you can find S minus A. S minus A निकालो. S कितना है आपका? 90. And what is the value of A? You have found already, I think. That is your 60. So 90 minus 60 and that is your 30 centimeter. So S minus A is what? 30 centimeter. So put this value in this. Okay, S value of S is 90, S minus A is 30, again 30 and then again 30. So it is the square root. Okay, what it is? It is the square root. We have to find its square root. Okay, तो कई बच्चे तो क्या करेंगे, इसको मल्टीप्लाई करके सॉल्व करेंगे. मैं आपको एक इजी तरीका बताती हूँ. ठीक है, आप क्या करो, आप पेयर्स बनाना शुरू करो. 30 और 30 का पेयर बन गया, उसको कहाँ ले आओ? बाहर ले आओ. 30 का 2 है तो बाहर आके कितना हो जाएगा? सिर्फ 1 हो जाएगा. ठीक है, अब आप मुझे एक चीज बताओ, ये 90 इंटू 30 है, तो क्या मैं 90 को ऐसे लिख सकती हूँ 3 इंटू 30? 3 इंटू 30 इंटू 30. देखो आप ध्यान से. अब फिर देखो 30 का पेयर बन गया, तो उसको भी बाहर ले आओ. 30 इंटू 30 इन अंडर रूट 3. ओके, 30 इंटू 30, 3 3 is 9, 900 root 3. So this is what area of triangle. Now I think you know the unit. What should be the unit? The unit of area is always in square and the unit is here centimeter. So the area will be in centimeter square. So what will be the area of signal board? The signal board area is 900 root 3 centimeter square. This is your answer. Yes, students, see question number 2. Okay, the triangular side of walls of a flyover have been used for advertisement. You can see this is the flyover. I have not made complete flyover. Okay, from here the road is there. Okay, so there are two parts of this triangular, that is this one and this one. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to paste here some posters. Okay, so whenever some pasting will be done, we have to pay the rent of it. Okay, so what it is, we have, when I have to take one wall, what I am doing is I am taking one wall for 3 months. कितने महीने के लिए ले रही हूं मैं? 3 महीने के लिए ले रही हूं. ओके, एक कंपनी ने इस दोनों वॉल में से एक वॉल को हायर किया है 3 महीने के लिए. ओके, और अगर कोई मतलब गवर्नमेंट इस वॉल को अगर रेंट पे लगाती है तो पर ईयर उसका कितना रेंट आना चाहिए? उसका रेंट कोई भी लेगा तो उसको कितना देना पड़ेगा? 5000 पर मीटर स्क्वायर 1 साल के लिए. लेकिन हमें 1 साल के लिए नहीं चाहिए, हमें कितने महीने के लिए चाहिए? हमें 3 महीने के लिए चाहिए. तो ये 3 महीने वाला कंसेप्ट हम लास्ट में देखेंगे. पहले तो हम देख लेते हैं इस ट्राइंगल का एरिया कितना होगा. ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एम assuming this is my A, this is my B and this is my C. So name it A, B, C. Okay, triangle. In triangle A, B, C. Okay, tell me what is the value of A? A is 22 meter, B is 120 meter and C is 122 meter. Find S. What is S? S is semi-perimeter. A plus B plus C upon 2 is your S. So find it. Okay. 22 plus 120 plus 122 divided by 2. Okay. Add all of them. 2, 0, 2, 4. 2 to the 4 to the 6. And 1, 1, 2. 264 divided by 2. Cancel it. 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6, 2 2 ja 4. So what is the value of S you have got? S you have got is 132. Now in the formula you know I have to put value of S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. That value also I will find over here only. S minus A. Okay. So 132 minus, what is the value of A? 22. Minus it, 110. S minus B. S minus B is how much? 132 minus, what is the value of B? 120. Okay, so that is your 12. S minus C. 132 minus 122. That is what? That is 10. Okay, now by Heron's formula, area of triangle will be under root S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Put all the values over here. Okay. What is the value of S? S is 132. S minus A is what? 110. S minus B is what? 12. S minus C is what? 10. Now split all of them. हम इस तरीके से स्प्लिट करेंगे कि हमारे दो दो के पेयर्स बन जाए. जैसे आप देखो, ध्यान से करना है इसको थोड़ा सा. आप देखो एक बार, आपके पास 0 है और यहाँ पे भी 0 है. तो देखो ये 10 है. अगर मैं 110 में से 10 निकाल लेती हूँ तो क्या मैं इसको 11 इंटू 10 लिख सकती हूँ? ध्यान देना एक बार. 20 इंटू, मैं इसको लिख रही हूँ 11 इंटू 10. देखना 10 के दो पेयर बन गए, 2 का 1 हो जाएगा. 11 इंटू 10 इज 110. ओके. अब 132 को आप ब्रेक करो तो देखो 132 में 11 या 12 से डिवाइड हो रहा है क्या? मैं क्यों कर रही हूँ 11 या 12 से डिवाइड? ताकि मेरे पास 11 या 12 का एक पेयर बन जाए. तो मैं क्या करती हूँ, 132 को रफली 11 से डिवाइड करके देख लेती हूँ. 11 1 जा 11, 2 2, 11 2 जा 22. कंप्लीट डिवाइड हो रहा है. किसमें डिवाइड हो रहा है? क्या मैं 132 को ऐसे लिख सकती हूँ 11 इंटू 12? यस. देखो मैंने आपको बहुत ही शॉर्टकट में स्क्वायर रूट निकालना सिखा रही हूँ. क्वेश्चंस में ऐसे ही शॉर्टकट लगते हैं. हम पूरा मल्टीप्लाई करके कभी भी स्क्वायर रूट नहीं निकालते. ये हमारा वेस्टेज ऑफ टाइम है. ओके. अब आप पेयर बनाओ. देखो 11 11 का 2 पेयर है, बाहर आगे 1 हो जाएगा. 12 12 के कितने पेयर है? 2 पेयर है, बाहर आ जाएगा. और 10 10 के कितने हैं? 2, बाहर आ जाएगा. कुछ बचा अंदर अंडर रूट कुछ भी नहीं बचा. कुछ नहीं मतलब 1. और 1 का अंडर रूट कितना होता है? 1. उसको हमें एज इट इज छोड़ देना है. उसको हमें कंसिडर नहीं करना. सबको मल्टीप्लाई करो. मल्टीप्लाई करके क्या आएगा? 11 इंटू 12 132 0. So what is the area of this triangular board? This triangular is what? 1320 meter square. हमें एरिया तो पता चल गया, लेकिन क्वेश्चन यही खत्म नहीं होता. क्वेश्चन है आपका कि अगर इस बोर्ड को हम 1 साल के लिए लगाते हैं तो 1 मीटर के लिए कितना अर्निंग है. तो आपको 1 मीटर की अर्निंग ऑफ 1 meter square area is how much? Rupees 5,000 for 1 year. For 1 year. Okay. So 1 meter square. But how much is the area? Area is 1320. So earning of 1320 meter square area will be how much? Rupees 5,000 into 1320 meter. Sorry, not meter, it is in rupees for 1 year. I am writing in short. Okay, now do the multiply. How many zeros are there? 1 2 3 and 1 4. So 1 2 3 4. 5 2 ja 10, carry 1. 5 3 ja 15, 1 16, carry 1. 5 1 ja 5, then 6. Okay, so this is how much rupees? This for 1 year. Now I'll convert it again. Rent for earning it is, or you can write rent also. Rent for 1 year for one wall is how much? It is rupees 66 quadruple zero. Okay. In place of 1 year, can I write 12 months? Rent for 12 months for one wall is equal to rupees 660000. Okay, this is for 12 months. So I have to find for 1 month first. So rent for 1 month. For 1 month. Okay, students, here 5 zeros are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here I have written 4 only. So 1 more 0 will be there. Okay. Okay. Rent for 1 month for one wall will be 6. 5 zeros are there. Yes, rent for 1 month for one wall is 66. 5 zeros divided by 12. But we have to find rent for 3 months. So we will. Why we are dividing over here? क्योंकि आपने 12 months का आपको पता था, आप 12 से 1 में जा रहे हो, आप ज्यादा से कम में जा रहे हो तो डिवाइड करते हैं, और जब हम कम से ज्यादा में जाते हो मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. रेंट फॉर 3 months फॉर one wall will be 66. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 divided by 12 into 3. The solution of this you will do yourself. I will not do. Okay, students. So up to question number 2nd, it is very easy. Now question number 3rd. Question number 3rd is also easy. That you have to do yourself. First, second I have solved. 3rd question you have to do yourself. Thank you.